Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful.
Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzoor Abbasi, mathematics teacher, Pakistan International School, Thai. Today we are going to start the 11.1 remaining question number. That is the question number 2. Here, dear student, we will find the area and perimeter, but according to the statement. In this lecture, we are given the word problems about the square and rectangle. First question, find the length of a rectangle whose breadth is equal to 50, and then area is equal to 675. Two things we are given, and the question that here we have to find the length. Dear student, in the given information we have to find the length, area and breadth is given. Now area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth, but when we have to find length, then it will be equal to area divided by breadth. Here area is 675 and breadth is equal to 50. Meter will be cancelled, and table of the 15 you can read on the 675 45. So we got the length of the given rectangle whose breadth is 15 and area is 675 meter square meter. Length of a park is 45 meter. So the required answer we got 45 meter. Dear students, in the second side, that is the part number 3, word problem. Here, the perimeter of a square, that means we are given in the statement the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to the 12 kilometer. And the figure which we are discussing, that is the square. And we have to find the area of the square. Dear students, you know that for area of a square, we need the length of one side. And length of the one side we will find from the formula of the perimeter. Here, perimeter is equal to 12 kilometers. Length of a side we can find. Length of the side we can find from the perimeter formula. That is equal to the perimeter of the garden. That is equal to 4 times multiplied by side. Here side will be equal to perimeter divided by 4. Side is equal to value of perimeter, that is the 12, and divided by 4, and 4 table of 4 on 12. So answer of the one side, measurement of the one side is 3 kilometers. Dear students, here now we have to find area of a garden. Area of garden is equal to side multiplied by side. And value of side we have got 3 kilometer. Again multiply 3 kilometer. 3 times. It will be 9 kilometer multiplied by kilometer. It will be 12. So here we got the value of a area of square garden that is equal to 9 square kilometer. First, find the length. We are given breadth and area. Then we find the length by dividing area. It's breadth. Now, third, perimeter of the square garden is 12 kilometer. Find its square. We are given the perimeter of the square garden. We are given perimeter of the square garden that is 12 kilometer. Length of side, and we can find from the perimeter formula, perimeter divided by the 4, and side is equal to 3 kilometer. Area of the square garden, that is equal to side multiplied by side. Side is equal to 3 kilometer. Again multiply 3 kilometer, 3 times it will come square kilometer. Dear students, here we got this thing. Now problem number 4. In the 4, we have to find the breadth. Find the breadth of the swimming pool whose length is 18 meter and area is 198 square. So dear students, you will divide the area by the given value of length and we can find the value of it. We can find the value of it. Breadth. Here we are given length and we have to find the breadth and area is also given here. Keep the information here. This is the length. This is the area. And area of the sphere equal length multiplied by breadth. When we are given the length and breadth, it means that the given shape is relevant with rectangle. Let's first here put the value of area and then value of length and breadth will be equal to area divided by length. That is equal to the 11. Here table of 18 we can read on 198 one time. So here we got the breadth of the swimming pool 11 meter. Right? Now let us start the 5 number. Dear students, in 5 number, same situation is here. We have to find the area and perimeter and only we are given the measurement of the one side. Perimeter of the square, it is 4 multiplied by one side, measurement of one side, and perimeter 4 times multiplied by here, area will be side by side, and perimeter will be 4 times multiplied by measurement of one side. Now let us check here what we are doing. Here we are given the area, number 1. Sorry, we have to find the area, then perimeter of figure square. Okay. Square shaped garden. And here measurement of the one side it is given. Now I hope you are very familiar with the area of the square shaped garden and perimeter of the square shaped garden and side of the one side it is given. Now dear student, here area of the square shaped garden it is equal to side multiplied by side. And then we will place here value of the one side 21 again 21. 21 multiplied by 21 it will be equal to 441. And meter multiplied by meter it will come square meter. Now perimeter by the same way 4 times measurement of the one side. 4 multiply measurement of one side that is equal to 21 meter. Now 21 multiplied by 4 definitely it is coming. It will be equal to 84 meter. These 4 and 5 sums are also as we have done in the previous questions. Now let us start the question number 6. Question number 6 here we are told perimeter of the square shaped room is 36 meter. Okay. Perimeter is given. The shape that we are discussing here, that is the square. Now we should be careful about the elements of the square. Okay. Find the cost of tiling the room at the rate of rupees 182.5 per square meter. Good. Now, what the things we have to have? What the things here we have to do? Dear student, here we have to find the first of all cost. We think that rate of the 1 square meter here we are given 1 square meter that is equal to the 182.5 meter per square meter. Here now it means that we have to find the area first of all. And for area we need the measurement of one side. And for measurement of one side we are given the perimeter. And perimeter of the square is equal to 4 multiplied by its side. Side will be equal to perimeter divided by, okay. Now here perimeter of the square shaped we are given. From this we will find the measurement of one side. Dear students, here this value will be used in the last when we will find the area. Area of a square shaped room, that is the question mark. We need to calculate it. We need to find it. Cost of the tiling a room, this is the another part that we will do after finding the area. Perimeter we are given here 4 multiplied by, and here we have to find the side. We have to find that. Dear student, we have to find the side here. This side we have to find. I make it something here for your information. And this side is equal to perimeter of the square shaft room divided by 4. 4 will be shifted from the multiplication on other side of the sign of equality. It will be converted as division. 36 divided by 4, definitely answer comes 4. 9 after the division of 4. 36 divided by 4 equal 9. Okay. Now area of the square shaped room, that is equal side multiplied by side. Dear students, here value of the one side we have got in a star that we done here after division of the perimeter with 4, 9. 9 multiplied by 9, it will be 81 square. Now we will replace m square means square meter by its value, that is equal to 182.5 square meter. Dear students, here when we replace the m square by its value 182.5, we got the value here. It is equal to 14,782.5. So this is the cost of the tiling a square shaped room. Okay, this was the complete procedure to find the perimeter. The perimeter of the square shaped room is 36 meter. That is given to find the measure of one side. Find the cost of tiling the room at the rate of the rupees 182.5 per square meter. This value will be used after finding the area of a square. Area of a square? Yes, side by side. Less the value of side 9981, and then there's the value of 1 square meter, and we will get the 182.5. Dear student, in the sum number 7. Sum number 7 is also at some extent we have here two things. First we will find the area, then we will find the cost of leveling a playground. Cost of leveling a playground means in this part we will find the, dear student, for this value we will find the area. Cost of leveling we will find the area. And 1 square meter cost is 150 rupees. Rupees 150. Okay, dear, here length, here you can see, here you can see, length is equal to 33 meter, breadth is equal to 22. Now definitely when this uh, length and breadth is given, we will immediately concentrate about the geometrical picture or figure. Its name is rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Why? Because length is breadth is given. If one side is given, we will immediately concentrate about the square. Dear student, for here, find the cost of the fencing. Find cost of fencing. So that's why here we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Its formula we know. We will discuss in the detail. So dear students, here length is given 33, 22. First value of m is square 150. Value of 1 meter that we will use to find the fencing, cost of fencing. Means perimeter we will find that. Then we will use it there. Area of the playground. Now cost, this is we have to find. Perimeter we will find. Now here cost we have to find. First of all we have the area of rectangle. Breadth multiplied by length multiplied by breadth. Very nice. Distance here. Measurement of the length 33, measurement of the breadth 22. I underline their values here for your information. After multiplication, we got 726 square meter. Now, cost of the leveling playground, cost of leveling playground, that is the rectangle shaped playground. We will replace the value of the 1 m square, that is rupees 150, and here then it is equal like this. Okay, 1,800, it is a 1 lakh 8,900. Okay, 1 lakh 8,900. Right. This is the cost of the leveling of the rectangular toy playground. Yes, friends, here we have the formula for the perimeter, that is equal to length plus breadth. We keep the value same, and after addition 55 multiplied to 110, and we multiply the value of the 1 meter, and then cost is equal to the 11,000. Right. Well, now this sum is completed, and similarly for the kind information we are in the sum number 8, but the same pattern. Dear student, this is the same way. Length of the square, but it is discussing about the square. Now we have to find the area of the square and perimeter of the square. Then we will find the cost of plowing the field at the rate of the rupees 25 per meter square, and cost of the fixing the field at the rate of the rupees 80. Here we are given the length. Okay, length that is equal to 48. Okay. Dear students, we have to find the cost of plowing a field at the rate of rupees 25 and fencing, cost of fencing. Here length is 48. Here cost of 1 square meter, only rupees 25. Now area of the square field we have to find. Cost we have to find. 1 m is equal to cost of 1 meter is equal to rupees 18. Now cost of fencing meets perimeter we will find here side by side. Okay, if the values 48, 48 multiply 2,300 square meter area, right? Its value of the m square 25. Then we got the here 57,600. This is the cost of a square shaped field. Okay, dear student, find the perimeter 4 times side. Now here 4 multiply value of the side. Here value of side, dear student, square shaped side. This is homework for you because here I made a mistake. Here will be first of all. Here we have to find. Here we have to find that. Here no, this is by mistake. You will find here 48. and 48 multiplied by 48 multiplied by 8, 4. 6,914 you can find 6,912 you can write also here this small piece of the solution 6,912 this is the 900 and 12 right. And this is the rupees okay dear student. So this was a bit mistake. Sorry for this mistakes. You have to do the correction. Now we are in a last sum. Last sum is also of the same nature. A garden. Here we have also the same way. We will find rectangle and perimeter of the rectangle. So here a garden is the 45-meter long and 30-meter wide. Find the cost of repairing garden at the rate of the rupees 50 per square and cost of the constructing a wall around at the rate of rupees 400. So this is the last sum and same dear students. Here is the same sum. Here. Here is the same procedure. Now I have to do and first of all we are given here 45 long. This is the length. This is the width and repairing this is the m square and this is the n and here is the length, here is the width, area of garden, here the m square cost, here the cost of repairing, here perimeter of the garden find, then this value will be used here. Area of the rectangular type garden length multiplied by width. This is the width. Dear students, this is the width. Here we will write the value that is equal to 30 and here 45. After multiplication this will be answer and write the value of m square that is the 50 and here we will got the 67,500. 67,500. Dear student, this is the value of the cost of a garden repairing for the repairing. Cost of repairing the garden at the rate of is 50. Now we will find the perimeter first of all. Perimeter length plus breadth multiply by 2 and its value here same 45 here 30 and here after addition 75 multiply 150 and then here you will use the value of 150 multiplied by the n value of 1 meter 425 we got the answer 63,750. Yes, sir, thank you for watching this video. I am very thankful for you. Hope we will meet in again coming lecture. Thank you.